Yes, Srikant.
Yeah, Sam. I'm getting error, Sam, when I'm trying. The security problem we are getting when I'm
Yeah, yeah,
trying to
yeah. That's
install that.
that's that's a known issue. That's a known issue, and that's an interesting point. Even actually, let me brief all about your problem. So, problem with MySQL database. Okay, installation hiccups. Call it as So, MySQL DB installation. So, what happened if you already have previously installed MySQL DB? So previously installed, and even if you uninstall that, okay, you feel that no, I uninstall completely and now I'm doing fresh install, and no, previous installation footprints that creates the problem. I tell you that. So this previously installed MySQL DB. So Srikant, just a question for you, that have you installed by any chance that MySQL DB previously on your machine?
Yeah, Sam. Maybe there is a chance when I was trying for the Java, I might have
Hmm.
installed that MySQL.
Okay, okay, okay. So we will clean it off, and then, so now firstly, let us see what is the problem Srikant is facing, and then I will give the solution. That's a known proven solution, and we will apply that solution, and we will reinstall the MySQL DB. Okay, and you will see that is getting solved. That's a learning, one type of learning also, and that we will get into the next thing. I'll tell you what next we are going to discuss. So let me go to Srikant. Srikant, what I'm doing, I'm making you host. You share your screen completely, and once your screen and your problem gets solved, you give me the host right again back to me. Okay,
Okay, Sam.
so just give me a minute. Okay, and Srikant is now more. Make host. Yes, I just stop share my screen. I stop
So
my
I'm
video,
sharing. I'm
and
sharing my screen.
Srikant, yes, you will able to share your screen. That's perfect. Okay, share your screen. Okay, that's great. That's great. Okay, so this is the problem, guys. The problem is it tell you about security settings cannot be applied. Okay, access denied for user root at the rate localhost. This is the problem. Now what is the resolution for this? This is definitely because of the old installation footprints which are already there on Srikant's machine. So it's good. It's giving us opportunity to see that problem in installation. So cancel this, Srikant. And the remedy for this, if I'm going right, go to your program files directory. We will delete that footprints of previous installation. Let us do one thing. Firstly, let us uninstall the MySQL DB. So go to your yeah, add and remove program. Go there. So this is Windows 8. It looks like.
Windows 8.1.
Yep, yep. Okay. So boxy appearance. They tried that for Windows 8. Okay. Control panel.
My
That's correct.
laptop will be slow, Sam. So please.
4 GB. I know 4 GB. We
Yeah.
have patience. No worries, Srikant. Okay. If anybody else has the problem with installation, just send a note. I got a note from Rahel that Rahel has an installation problem. So Rahel, once Srikant's problem gets solved, we'll check out your problem as well. Okay, no problem. So yes, go to add remove program somehow. It's coming to, okay. Okay, so here if you have MySQL DB, just uninstall that.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay, so uninstall, that's very good.
Yeah, something.
Okay, we missed out your screen. Okay, so great. So now what you feel that whenever you uninstall the MySQL DB, it's gone, but that is not the
Yes,
case.
sir.
There is the folder which is there, which holds the previous installation data, which causes the problem. So go to your program files folder. This is the major hack of the problem, you know. So program files, and can you see MySQL somewhere folder, MySQL?
No, sir. No MySQL.
On C colon somewhere, program files. Yeah, there
Yeah,
is a
MySQL.
MySQL folder. Delete this folder manually, completely delete it. Even from recycle bin, delete it. Permanent delete.
Correct.
Check out in the recycle bin if you have any, this folder got, yeah. If it's there, permanently delete that. Okay, okay. So many folders, maybe you check it date wise. Or you completely remove the recycle bin. If nothing is there, remove all of them. If you don't have anything in the recycle bin. Yeah, so I think that's empty recycle bin will be so much of stuff you kept it there. Okay, that is also one thing, you know, that your hard disk space is getting utilized in the recycle bin as well. Okay, and
Yes, sir.
now
Clear.
let's start the installation of MySQL database. Okay.
So I'm deleting this, Sam.
No, 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 no,
MySQL.
no, no, not required, not required. Have you
Okay.
unzipped that? You unzip
Yeah,
that first. Hold on. This
I
is the
unzip
zip.
it, Sam.
Okay, it is the unzip only. Open that. That's
Okay.
correct. That's fine. The installation is fine. Setup. Yeah. Your installables are perfectly fine. So run the setup. Okay. Teddy, you are looking good. No problem. Yeah. So you can, you are just covering your camera, Teddy. You can just off your video. Okay. That's fine. That's cool. Next. Let's see. Okay, and guys, then we will check out Rahel's problem as well. That will also give us some learning. So remember this, whenever you face any problem in MySQL, always delete the MySQL folder in the program files directory. That folder contains the previous installation data. Now I'm sure that will cross that problematic stage. And it is the fresh installation really. Let's see. Next, 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 next. All good. All good. Yep. Yes. Very good. Yes.
Yeah,
Now you
somehow
can
I
see
didn't
that
get this.
new root password, right? You
Yes,
complete
yes.
that, no problem. So put it, and we want to see it completed. So this screen was not coming actually. It was saying old password. Now you will see all the steps will be successful. Hopefully. Let us see that. Let's wait. Apply security settings.
Perfect,
Exactly.
sir.
It was stacking up there. So now it crossed that stage and it got successfully installed. Okay. Now, can you unshare your screen and give my host right back?
Yes.
So on my name, you will see more. Go there, and on that more, you can see make hosts sort of. I'm host now.
Yes,
That's
I made.
great.